Have you also been wondering, is Webull safe? Is Webull safe to use? Is Webull legitimate? Webull, a popular online brokerage firm, has been gaining traction among investors due to its commission-free trading and user-friendly platform. While it offers many attractive features, it's essential to delve into user reviews and experiences to assess its safety and reliability. A recent survey revealed that nearly 70% of online brokerage users prioritize security as their top concern. This statistic underscores the importance of conducting thorough research before choosing a platform to manage your investments. Additionally, a study published in 2023 found that over 30% of investors have experienced some form of security breach or fraud while using online trading platforms. Safety is paramount when it comes to online trading, and Webull has implemented several measures to safeguard its users' accounts and funds. The platform employs advanced encryption technology to protect sensitive information, such as login credentials and transaction details. Furthermore, Webull is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, ensuring that it adheres to strict regulatory standards. One of the most significant advantages of Webull is its commission-free trading. This feature allows investors to save on transaction costs and potentially increase their overall returns. Additionally, Webull offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy for both novice and experienced investors to navigate and execute trades. However, while Webull offers many benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported technical difficulties and glitches, which can be frustrating and impact trading decisions. Additionally, Webull's customer support has been criticized for being slow and unresponsive, particularly during peak trading hours. Another important consideration is Webull's margin trading feature. While margin trading can amplify returns, it also carries significant risks. Investors who are not familiar with margin trading may find it difficult to manage their risk exposure and could face substantial losses. In terms of user reviews, Webull has received mixed feedback. Many users praise its commission-free trading, user-friendly interface, and extensive investment options. However, some users have expressed concerns about its customer support, technical issues, and the risks associated with margin trading. Overall, Webull is a safe and reliable online brokerage platform that offers many attractive features. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully before deciding if it's the right choice for your investment needs. Consider factors such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and experience level when evaluating Webull's suitability. It's also advisable to diversify your investments across multiple platforms and to be aware of the risks associated with online trading. By conducting thorough research and understanding the potential drawbacks, you can make an informed decision about whether Webull is the right fit for you.